Hi, hello, welcome family. Like and subscribe, link in description. Ice roller for face, a marvel from Amazon. Discovering the ice roller for the face on Amazon has truly been a game changer for my skincare routine. As someone who consistently battles with puffiness and inflammation, finding a product that actually delivers results was crucial. The ice roller, sourced from Amazon's vast collection of beauty tools, stands out not only for its affordability but also for its exceptional performance. Seamless ordering experience. The process of ordering the ice roller from Amazon was seamless from start to finish. The product listing was detailed with high-quality images and comprehensive descriptions, making it easy to understand exactly what I was purchasing. Amazon's user-friendly interface and the speedy delivery service enhanced the shopping experience, ensuring the product arrived promptly and in perfect condition. First impressions and packaging. Upon arrival, the ice roller was packaged securely in a neat, attractive box which protected the item during transit. The initial inspection revealed a sturdy handle and a robust roller head, made from high-quality materials designed to withstand frequent use. The simplicity of the design was appealing, focusing on functionality without unnecessary embellishments, ease of use and immediate benefits. Using the ice roller is straightforward and requires no complex instructions. After keeping the roller in my freezer for several hours, I applied it gently across my face. The immediate sensation was incredibly soothing, especially on mornings when my skin felt particularly swollen or irritated. The coolness of the roller helps constrict blood vessels, thereby reducing redness and swelling, providing an instant refreshing feeling. Link in description. Long-term advantages for skin health. With regular use, I've noticed significant improvements in my skin's condition. The ice roller aids in tightening the skin and reducing the appearance of pores, which is beneficial for those who, like me, suffer from oily skin and frequent breakouts. Moreover, it has proven effective in soothing headaches and relaxing muscles, which is an added bonus beyond its cosmetic benefits, perfect for all skin types. One of the remarkable features of this ice roller is its suitability for all skin types. Whether you have sensitive, dry, oily, or combination skin, the roller works without causing irritation. This inclusivity makes it a versatile tool in anyone's skincare arsenal. Additionally, its ease of cleaning and maintenance is commendable. Simply washing the roller under running water and drying it before freezing it again ensures it remains hygienic and ready for use. Conclusion: a must-have beauty tool. In conclusion, the ice roller for the face available on Amazon is a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their skincare routine. Its affordability, coupled with its numerous benefits ranging from reducing puffiness to soothing the skin, makes it an invaluable addition to daily beauty practices. I highly recommend this product to anyone looking for a non-invasive and effective solution to common skin concerns. Link in description. Like and subscribe. Thanks for your watching.